Hi guys, we received these GEEYONTEK cushions for the car. It's a cover for your car seats for event purposes. So I'm gonna take them out of here. Here comes the installation manual. Here we see all the steps. So I am going to take out everything. Okay, they're really nice. They are leather, so they look good. The material is very soft, has many things. So I'm going to give it a quick read on how to place them. Okay, so it's a very complete set. So let's go and install them. Okay, so now it's finished. Look how amazing it looks. This is the back seats, and these are the front seats. They look really nice. That extra piece is for when you have a headrest on the middle of the back seat. I don't have one, but it's for that, and it's amazing. I like a lot how it looks. It gives a very nice look to my car, and I will recommend them. See ya.